TTE, Burabu Technical Training Institute, technical skills for development.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi umuroberio ukubwatia tubwatike tango gyekegori asego nabo kurigererwa n'ibigori byonse
muri mito nkibona gya kugogeti gachako buri mugusi
Again, the Kiagartenga Chaka, this type of farming, I remember I was from class. In Nairobi, I was from class. Nilikuwa nimesota. Na bata sota. Na bata vesa. So, ona ni relax eti nyumba. Kono ngakiti sabu na gengo ligedo. I was watching news. Na rekodi gere TV, NTV. Got a friend of mine or featured just TV. Egare wa korobere mwe chiombe, chingoko, na chingurwe. I know Murukoko to Nerafon for the same year. It was doing 100 liters of milk in a day by then. Where? That this guy makes a lot of profit.
Which year was that?
It was like 2021.
2021. Nalina ndo chagito buri migo.
Mjabana chagete 22 years. Yeah, this is the second year. Na mwaka unokabe.
No mwaka ukabe.
Yes. So from there after watching, ngaka chisawe style jamaica rosedo na nchende nyombande laxeti. I had to look for that guy by the way. Kamurige on Facebook bwangu kama te bro nimekuona mahali. Ni anu. Long time so ile conversation invite. Kadang inviting and farm I saw wonders. So nachanga tabana once I'm done go graduate. I'm starting this type of farming. Na toko koraiga tokaso election. I was very active in politics by the way. That time I was support one of the politicians or the governor. Na tuakora I could save from there. I said Tokwa you save nini. Like he appreciated us with something small. Garabe sana nyorengo vera Nairobi. So I came home.
Gacha gusi.
Ngawa for like 3 months. Ngara seta nakanyumbanga rotuana abwate naona chakirute. So ngabeka it was around 150 bahts. Now I got 2 weeks, but unfortunately the Capuchons. So Karobiaku Kumba Sena Society no Aringabe. And then I got Embe Mangana vaccination, Rio Konga in Lena, Uniki Rigatigati. Kumbe, Teraguna Newcastle. You see? So I lost all the birds, 150 of them, but I got only 30.
150, so all of the 150?
Yes,
What with the moyo?
One now quit already. One I won't quit on So I had a lot of stress. Ngatika for 3 months. Ono limongo nya kwenda Suneka, ngonya romo sana onekana ndena. Hiyo naenda wapi? Nataka kwenda kwa bugi fulani anipe chakula kuku. Kwa bwate kienyeji. Kama ndio usinunuange chakula mahali fulani zinaoa kuku. Ati ninaoa hebu nipe story. Ati jamaa fulani aliwahi nipeanga kuku na chakula. So it was almost the same story as mine. Sasa wacha nikuchanue nikupeleke mahali kuku wazuri wako. Kumbe pia yeye anataka kunipi kupima. Nikatafuta tena doa haraka nikamtafuta. So we went somewhere in town, tukatafuta tukaingia farm ya mtu fulani. Mahali anakupeleka farm, huyo mtu akone bisumu okoli. Ebisumu ebya begete ngoko nchiyo. Koroka nao neti agatiga. So from there akantaina okobook tokaleta chingo kwa mpaka sori. So ngabook bakandeta chikuku from kukuchik, I think charenge chikari. Of which it was not curry. Later on kerongo cha realize. Kumbe nowadays farmers otave tikin konyo romo ntago breed from nowhere. Kore tere bichucho ko ngaina na this is curry, this is Kenbro, this is Gentoget.
Gonga we kobe
very keen. Yes, so I ordered 200 of them by at 100 bob each. Yeah, that was around 20,000. So the 20,000 kore tere bichucho I don't have a very keen big. I don't big weight from brooding stage. Tigabike stage get bigachaka kobeka chigoti bikagwa marionyago itakago chinsege chuchu kego sundo kangebwa ati appetite. I lost like out of 200 I lost almost 60 70.
And that's the second time.
That's the second time. So once na lose wana ngati yako vya rigereri bachito nchiro nyo chavere that time na igasumkenga yake moyoka igana marabarenga. So What I did, I sold Chitwanicho, around 70 of them. I made this structure, the 70 box. Because I sold at 1,000 each. Ngara, there is good money. As much as Nigeria, Sarah, there's still money. Yes. So nga set up the structure, emesweringa nyarosadia saga, na ndipo ni shida kile structure kwa setup was not around. So chifundi chi aroseti structure, they bagasali. Mbaroseti what exactly I wanted. So kerumo limia go rosi structure, kosobate chingo kechi, you need to be there in person. Onye toyo, make a point of visiting the farm now and then to check on your chicks. So kumbe chingo kongere kerongo cha Korea is later keronje techi seminar. Gacha Korea was given F3. Ndobwate F1, F2, F3. One of F3 is the worst. But F3 ye take produce never even never na kienyeji. One of kumina ikombwate chingo kwa around 70 MSU. I'm supposed to collect around 3 crates and a half. But I collect only one karochite mete na likumu yo kitu. So ngachanganya romo nginagete agakora ki agaira chingo kechi chons. So from there I relaxed, nga take time, kakola a lot of research, nga renovate Bisumu. So I went and Kenchik in Chobal Komanyane bono mpaka company ya Kenchik in person. Kawichingo ko bono ko Kenchik. So bono abu nonja kirete sabari yana. Gareta chingo ko around 650. Yes.
One of moyo re strong and healthy.
Yes. So from there brooding yana, I only lost around 5. Yes, and it was about mismanagement. You got about Raka Kumbankare Kurinyaro. Until you were able to catch Abukanyora. That is when I lost around 30. Redowa Maiso. So from there I didn't learn on how you are supposed to do a lot of things. Yes.
Wanga igentona rani kurwa soringa. Kubali miuno bakongole. Kini wiko tuwari ankoro. Le bibi. Kia karonye tia kwete chitangani. Ndi chaka. Ndi chaka tatu. Lakini nenchira ya mongo ogesomya nga ebintu biro takolete the right way.
Yes. You learn no matter bintu. That's why we gonna be in the farm. Nabo kumanye behavior chingoko, kero mchigo ogete, kero chibwate stress, a lot of things.
Because chingoko nabo kumanye chibwate stress.
Stress nabo.
Kera lete stress chingoko.
Amariongi. Number 1 environment yenyu. Endagera. Yes, na macha. Ebingora tabire stress. Asengoko. Yeah. Yeah, that's why sometimes there is a lot of ways of calming the stress. In Tombiroko feeding ngoko, there are some plants, vitamins. Vitamin after weekly go bekatore vitamins. Chingoko chanya wo. Na reduce stress. Weather experience na nyorete. Ngerina. More mionde when you want to go and source chicks, you must be very careful where you are sourcing the chicks from. And ngoko kwana ebichuchu ebia ya kwana mbibwate record maro ire kiabire because kwizo monda ko ngaina na bitete sindani gete of which takorete tabietet kwanyora na ko ngaina chinken bro koko ikalia kumba ire kienye joguto nchiri ko kien because I've experienced also that na gorete almost 50 nganyora no guto
nkiokora kwa mayane ugute yuna ne kienye chiboro gori
teriko kien ugutera teriko kien nyora kali ensa lidio
we unengo kiga kiyambulire nonga nje nyebekense
nyebeka nyakota
yambulire anza ikwenda ikapona yebona how long here
this is 5 months.
5 months.
Yes.
It's
5 months. It's weighing 4 kg.
Yeah. 4 kg.
Yes.
Is your chimo sore kon?
Echiaya. Echengo korachire special breeding. Yes, the breed bono mune no yuyu. Oyu yengo chine muntu naronte timoroseri oyu. So ena kinchiga chiro for breeding. Yeah. Neri that is ene yeko gusi.
Ine kenyeji.
Pure kenyeji.
Ko bana ichikera kuchiona inchire igoro wake kwa
isinde. Ndibona mune kwa bwatanya nare konyoni. I could have sold at 2,000, 2,500. Yes.
2,500.
Yes.
We, agribusiness.
Bono na bangu kuira stitu ni chire. Nkuwaro kina chirocho. So, iga. Yesu ntenkero akaigo. Aza ingia ndani. Na wako soimu. Songa tu.
We are at men's corner. Women's corner.
Women's corner.
Now we are at men's corner.
It's a boys club.
Oh, boys club.
Yes.
Club ngeto gwatari school. Kerenge girls club na boys club. Bono. Boys club, they were very, very stubborn.
Stubborn.
Are these boys stubborn?
Very stubborn. Ito na ma tego kotocha, ego kurwani. Na bego kotocha kurwani. Kosago, yeah, they are very harsh. Chintinde che wana buneye. They are returning 4 months. Actually, they're exactly 4 months. Actually, exactly 4 months.
4 months.
Yes. Na ende tuoni enkepi. It's weighing 1.8.
1.8.
Yes, one gachi nyingepi they are above 2 kgs, 2.5.
Lakini ngora abantu bangi batere chire chingia soko lya.
Yes, because of the white meat. White meat never tell healthiness yeah. Yes, which is maybe.
Igonga kero ya itani diga igatiri ko banyamangia.
One of this the right age yogurt. Yes.
So these are the boys very, very stubborn.
The boys very stubborn. Kwanza karabali nchara. Obe to chain time ko baenda agera. To ko ikagoswana yako bikandagera. They can fight you seriously.
They bandu wani.
Mba ukurwa.
Bakiri na mbono.
Batembe.
Bono boys ya bawo achitwani. Echi watebire chire 4 months.
Yes.
Na every day aboneri.
Every day this is pure Kenbro. Yes, na rete chitoni chiko Kenbro because na taite nyama kuoni nyama. Yes, na ende keroko ya se family chingoko. Kenbro is the best. Asa mangana chi tuoni na chi tuoni chiko kina bango. Yes. Kenbro followed by Saso. Yes. Followed by Croilers. Yeah.
Tunachinga kisira sobolendi wabo.
Echiga number 1 obuya we breed it grows very fast. Very fast. Na iko gain weight mwangu. So long as you have fed it well, you can smile all the way to the bank. Yeah.
I want to smile all the way to the bank. Eti manjito morgeri ore autorgere ti announce go sere ngo smile all the bank Tumeti buno kolite utukibwao tumaiti. Lakini sisi tukulia lero roli I'm so happy. Yani ntonante itukora kwanza nenseme ya amaiso. Nakikoro kwa. Bororo. Yani nanchise kurende yao. First get it so organized. Naika kote inga ebi sumu byago biro organized. Space gerenke lakini kolite wonders.
Yes.
Space ine robegete chimboli, robegete chisese, robegete chingoko.
Yeah.
Very wonderful.
It is what we advise Abademi. Tolere space. Yes, tolere space. Neambono you want to do another structure with Chigoro. Yeah, space area and go water. It can do wonders. So long as you manage it well. Morning and to go comment. Yes, want to do horticulture. I mean fish farming. Yeah, there's a friend of mine of water. So that we can Toria Saga and to set chins. Yeah. Wana mna mwenye squad to bete kienyeji na botoko set chins kurunze. Yes, nowadays story kwenda kwenda kwa mandani. Yeah.
Ese chins bono whatever nga dropping se chichingo kona bokwaira na.
Nyara kwachi. There is a way to work on this manure so that Torosian feeds and babate chinguru they can come directly back or feed secho. Yes, bono trigo soka buno go chafu chingo. There is a way we are going to make it even more appealing. Yeah. Ebe one of more grams go one ya chingo kwa chiari go kwa chinsu eko ba easy.
Tuse tukwate banga go korta. Unabisha iko ese kwerende ile ndani.
Yes, ndani chia. Yeah. That is what we are thinking as a farm. So we want to grow.
Yeah. Me take care of grow na at least you go motivated na andi.
Yes.
Achiro chingo kwate amache no kubegete.
Amache. Basi na chito kono tisina. Chito ni chikaro chikonywera amacha. My children, they are very stubborn. They
boys are very stubborn.
Yes. Na enda bono chiko to many pay 24/7. Yes. Na ni chikuru ane ite to to marioka yoka na ndekere to marioka yoka amacha ko gwa save kombe be chora overflow. Ana enda ite kiro chinsa. So ko pipi matore na keto ko nyama. Choma ite kero ko iwe ngo ke korera yoka taina nencha. No. That is where we go wrong. Ngo ke korera ke go montonye mnakere ndage. Korera ke go nyama ache. Train it. Yeah. Bono mnagaiga once to get to kubika match to my time na to jibekere ndagera we come in to achipimera match to my time ekwangu to watch ya match. Yes, so that na rito ko west ya match na ende na ri to control ya match spillage and the rest of the things because one of na boninga we can put water here at the same time we can put feed again take it's easier. Even if you go to anywhere, vipira. Mole mitindo yes ibuye. Tindo cha sikio mari aranya kwekorera mono which were expensive feeders. Ekeyoka igako butora kere 20 maite 20 ere kuri ndagera within few seconds ya kore. Kwa so ime na ndi kwa serve na match.
Mimi nyaba gake bakoragira sana.
Bakoragira mono. That's why they gain weight very fast. So it's only coat and disinfectant wapangusa waveka match. They take yani you oisekora necessary to bwate tenengole bwate. Those available materials. Never mabuna torosity are everything that is available. So yendongia kirasi nyamonda tebena maybe ngento kitenda bwati timbwati bibuyu timbwati maybe bago. All these are available.
Ibe bitena macho cha kwabeka.
Macho nkobeka ande na ende ndagira nkobeka.
Ndagira. Chikuma kilabo beka ine.
Yes. No was. Yes.
Tuto ni chiro chirenga chiri. Nale siaba jinge wana kubwachinga kwa.
Twarusi rinke. As per today as per ero na togo kwana chitwani chitikarete ma is 210
Nindine siaba turi kwa kopera
ni kuzoea yes
Mm.
na tena the main thing as chingoko usafi na wasinteract na remains. That's why mnocho mnatolema is closed. Ventilation goes wakero ko runyarari ende ko rwaria but you don't feel any smell. Nginji yo chiko nyako kochanda unanga nyako korori gachindi. Yes usafi to maintain it ya yosebichuni unanga kwanyorere bichuni by the way. Yes
gonga maintenance na eri ginto kingincho mono.
Yes moto ndo banso tukete chingoko usafi. Yes yeah
Na guchimutuka igankiro chaso byo bwawe chitwani chile chingoko na uro chinke kiko chikomenta mono
waniga tutaito komenta move chingoko cha magena. Yes we want to grow tutaito bono turo chibona tukachakira 50 tukaenda 150 tukaswa 200 we are yes we are at 700 next year we want to be at 2000. Yes the following year actually we have a target maybe in the next after 5 years at least to toke somewhere to go compete in other big farms. Yes
at least we kiras bono at least no at that point no onia ranyore gento gekyo una mna sofa kurwacha gitu butukyo bwawo onge kichonga kichao chikokonyete chitwani chimesu na kisofa chikokonyete
chingo kichankonyera a lot of things. Number one kerogo to kwanza chingoko asenja no masai lazima uchore starehe kwanza. Starehe lazima uraweka kando. Number 2 chiankonyere ko manage in person. Bona manya ne amangana saving how you need to save yourself because ndagere wikayabora manya to get to save enough utaumia. So chianso miria mangana saving how you are supposed to save and at least even tombere binge big happen within asa konyara umepa au patikani kwa noma kwa bwari raido maybe something can happen kwa nyara ni no ura kando. Yes at least imeniepesha vitu kadhaa naenda at least one of your get tena one in the near future tanonyore pesa na choko manage pesa ya. Yes and at least you think and we go over
nekena it's innovating.
Yes innovative yeah
na bono astingo kichia wika ekero go chibe kirendagera amache mbaka kero koro busafi no bwatu muntu okonya go say just you
do bwata abantu we are 3. Yes I have to but not one permanent ili libone na bono mbaro matena gocha bari mambi yaro go chokoro busafi. Yes twakonyana maybe naro matena nchiga siane gocha ndengore gento gete. Yes
no busafi bekera mwapo busiri kwate banga moko na mwapo gomi after how long kwa mna kubona
after muna boniga mbobu kiri already na antorabus. Yes somebody has booked na next moko abusa ninje moko abusa.
What already market?
Yes there is already market kwanza ngakimne yogo samura yani libago chikokomera ntori go baisaniki bantu bago ichura kai gabatagete oboyo but oboyo mbokoretiki mboyo. Yeah
Tigotori go chakwaranga the demand is high tigamente price
bona boniga tukikirasa bona muna bakuli kuna wakulima wadogo hawezi nunua hata hiyo saka at 500 yone ko bid twabone ni metoriro. Yes motorira around 20 shillings 30 bob ya ili akonyara kwa afford agera ochiko komera. Yeah
abona nige tugere kwenye nevire twikire sukuku aba kusia bangi kero twikire sukuku mete tari aba kusibo ka actually abantu abangi kero bayikire sukuku bataite bali amagena bataite bali engoko ari kunyora boni family etaiteri chingo kwa chiria chitwani yonga sukuku eto go chokonya balimi yani abana inji family siko gali
anya nditu akongire kabisa na ngantu akore ntobune charity so that we invite people, we do a small kashere, people eat bari batabu ati sikuku but there is a way to go to donate personally, there is a way to donate like December abantu mbara to go to bari giba kego bari family tari kwenyara twabatarera twanyara ko bakora donation in cake
before donation bari bataite maybe oba oneri chingoko
okwo ni koroko chingoko nchiro
chiro
all the 200 chigo chingese nabali mbako chakoi yes bali bako chikoragera tigabache boy chingoko chitwa ninchiro
ntibono ngo cyane ngo yitwanye lima eri yangona
yes bali bataite chitwa ncha breeding, these are the best in breeding bali bataite chitwa ncho koragera nchira bali bataite chiko chikotuka nchira but the price is the same. Yes.
The price is the same for eba eri yama chikombona
no like in terms of kgs.
In terms of kgs.
Yes, yeah. And okay, 2 kg and above, we sell at 1,000 bob.
1,000 bob.
Yes.
Probably gani 1,000 bob.
Yes, when you marega, it's 1,000. Yeah, and we have a minimum order. You don't want to order. Yes, at least 3. Yeah, that's the minimum.
One taki ikomi to konga.
Ikomi, and that is the amount yang pure ire.
The minimum.
Minimum.
What the maximum?
Maximum wana bokora chance.
Wera chance got mbeti giridi.
Wono ngese naribi yana maybe no bata bantu ko chikorage. Yes.
Maybe a family was sherega.
Yes.
Sinyangi. Igonga abantu bari bo sinyangi Christmas mete. Ari abantu bari bo sinyangi abo bate weekend.
Yes, na abagocha bache ko ichingoko chitwani nchiro. Bagocha ko sherekea ne family chabo.
Training rende. Ekero yekira training ndaite maybe. Mongigeri binangu chokoro butugyo bwana.
Because in personally there is a gift I have personally, maybe out for here, to train in Chetene Chinka. I usually give sometimes training for free. Yeah. Now we could committee, Oika, on Konyegas, Olan. Yeah. Maybe about Yaga, Koikari to go to Tabatigas in Inge, well and good. Koikaroto to show Boyo, Rasmorus and into Boyo, so that
that's one way of learning.
Yes, we do all the process. Actually, we don't charge. Yeah, unless or otherwise. Maybe at some point here, on not to touch Mbaka sorry, to talk about fiscal planning and everything. So from there, now to talk about you cut for transport and living to get to watch out. But personally, we just give it for free.
What challenges?
There are a lot of challenges. Number one, when you're to maintain over Safi, you'll go to a mess. Yes, you'll go to a mess. Or a lot. Number two, apart from over Safi, on your to what that good timetable on how you'll be checking on your birds. Because one of chingo cage after 3 to 4 hours, lazima akela hapo ma. Lazima oswa imori gereri nini na bora nyoda ya moya kwa mira secret. Kosi ndi anyero mire. You see. Number 4. Abarimi ngenda wenta bamanye. Kutuka chingo ko is not an easy thing. Amo montago cha nyora maybe kwa chingo ko chinyinga abuga is a soft journey. It's not an easy thing. It's not an easy thing. Audio taita ko tugo kwere ndi chingo ko lazima invest a lot. Yeah, in terms of capital. Na barabumbaro chebune nsebone yere. Ndagera igeriwo. Woniga ebichuchu ebikugore kemo kia Ken bro is at around 120 shillings 130.
Kero kere one day.
One day. Ndaiwo.
Nako.
So that's why konyora boni kana chingo ko they are a bit high. Konyora kango kaga sinini kwata 700 800. Why? As a chikoru it's nigorore. Echenge yoka it's very expensive. Maintenance na mariogo it's very expensive because one chingo ko mne chinchiro soka. You nayo ko chirageri from A to Z. So that's why ngote yaba limina kero ko chake business yende yonsi not only chingoko ne yaba kutuka chiombe ne yaba kinde yonsi invest first ligie ndagere stock kwanza bono rete ndage echingoko
at least yo tu araganto.
Yes monto naro koleta bono ngombe tabu ate asa ko manya ko ruchi mambi ndo cha gwete mechi meteme yabande ko ne yes nani uyo ko no anya ko koleta chingoko ko maite na twari target maybe ngoreto mutinyo nane kuchakira mutinyo mutangani chaka kuri kichibesa chaka kustoki ndagira pole pole. Sasa ukizileta ama ni ng'ombe ama mbuzi inapata kuna chakula ya kutosha zinaanzia ono huko manya kurigeri ways. Yeah. Ona muna chingo keji corona chiretete mpaka boniga nemesweria it has costed a lot. Why? Nayo go chirageri kero gwachirageri nayo guchikorera everything, you see, because nchiriko kwa returns korore unless bono rigo ikirenga kiamagena nari bono gucha collect amagena gukurige na records ciagona na gurete chenge pesa gete kwarana kichira ni richigo
go be record.
yes, lazima utware records. Nyo to gutwara records utaenda hasara. Sasa utajua kama umetengeneza profit kama umetengeneza loss. Yes. Asa barimia bange baguchirong, they don't have records. You must have record of everything. Na ubo boyo buna tuwabu satu wabuoni nguchure nari kansa segete eronto ni this kg yo boyo at this price. Hata notumia bese but no what record. Later on chitoni chichiko enda pi kwa manya gwake sabu na chitoni chichi angete faida emeswe atakire kobeka magena faida yabonere eva magena arenga chikonyora in a day na kituoniri. Yeah, from there you calculate and get the profit or say the loss. So na rioko manyana dobo tuyo bonaso ngoro sinda asara gosen ngoro sinda. But generally anything that is dealing in a farming ke bwate bese. Yes, you have to smile.
Agribusiness.
Yes, everything
It must be tough.
yes, ne bwate bese.
Senanchira haro kutugiyogo kurenda gwase capital lazima bwibange kana igure capital lazima bwibange tokonta ibinga kubeka no enda macha yoka 1+1.
No, na eka to abigeta macha costed us a lot because you have to buy pipes over ekwende yamo it's 150 bob.
This
Yes, akwa kama 150 piping, you see. So muntu kubika
piping yago pipe kura sige sima gose tank.
No, ntabona ndombe getenkega ere raised amacha kuminyoka ibi. So neba bona muna rinda tukwana na mariogo na rinko igora chingo keshanyo. Bono medication it easy.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ko medication yabe kero to ko immunization ekoro kwa.
Medication yoko chibekera yoga amacha. Bona muna bono Newcastle. Bona muna ichi na ire ngwa kuchire Newcastle. Yes. After 3 months, one on tuto kona after 2 months. Yeah.
Nchiko chana buna zile nyingi.
Yeah. Na maji metoko beka chana. Yes, kero bata large scale niko.
Gocha itira seed drop is.
Yes, asa bona seed drop. Yeah.
Napono mwanjito murigere na rigali kurigereti okweboria nga ndata koro buri myogo. Maybe ebintu mbire biganire. Nkiora mo encourage.
Actually, you can take a thing and go to Yabarimi. Don't buy stories. That is the first thing. The second thing, do what your mind is telling you, and your heart tells you, not your mind. And Korea again take a hotel, Teribongo. Yes. Again, to Kiriwe tena unajituma, jitume. There are a lot of fake stories outside. Montaka Kotebina, how to keep 100 birds or 600,000 after 2 months. That is impossible. Because how to keep 500 or $1 million after 4 months. Onya tuwa itiko ibanga, you cannot. But bali mbali kote ina osingo kongo kuchire na binto binda. So, vale mi, once you want to do this, saransa kora good research. Yes. Komanya gochaka, kobeka bono chingo. Yes.
Na bali bagu kwa moyo konyoranga engo kakaya kwemo mabia kule yende.
Bona biashara mbiri kwa kabia kwa. Unaweza anza biashara au pati customers. So ni lazima ukae na naweza sema aje moyo wa kuvumilia. Lazima
utwale nkoro
lazima ole mereri. Ona bantu naro tuketeri ngombe. Chiombe chinene che grade. Yeka yabune ko kugurusi yatengeri busaiga. Ngombe terwareti tekoti akini yabune kila magoro. Waenda kwenye loss. Yeah. So lazima ukae na rongumu.
Na kuchimoteka siri sari bya wonjuro.
We are planning to grow. We're going to get into Kiaman. Try to grow. Try to sigende yoko kuna Cox Center. Kato wate Cox Center. Nasi chitwani chitari komis from January to January. Na chitwani tutai to kucha kubeka at least 4 kg and above. Yes, so from January to January tutai to kucha ko establish to kwa chingo ko 24/7. Yes, Kenya.
Nakwambia. Kya Roma itibono no ene kero abanchu baita bagiri abarante binga ngena mberi yo muri myoria usomo tukioria ari omanye buna agochokoro buri mibago se anyinta gitengo ko Christmas gekire nje dini nda itengo kwa ndikoli ni family lakini nje nata ni twanire no ko erienene alafu bono mbaroro konyoranga abali mbaita bange babwati ento kinda tebe babwati bosemia kuna bakoro bukibwabo angmana sibu amarioga ibuna watebi nekera bagukoye ebichuchu ebyo konyoranga no ini chiko cyabonye cyasundukire eya kuregendo yetindike gonga no ICU yumbono na manyire ndobwate ward na ICU yatinga tunenzi na manyire bintu bike gonga engo paka ya ate kora ranga gali ya sondokire
that is the way
ya manage
yes
agubona no na manyira mangi oroyo botuyo bwechoko anena nchiro botugibwao in the first place again they tanga niti but it's so organized and innovative omete abantu abangi bakutaka sanene anene yani umuntu ataitenga 1 acre ningo tuga chingoko chombe ngato in 3 acres konyoranga asayugale makina tebe ali misuse lakini antaka kasini organized obegete chingoko chiago buya very clean very neat kwa kongore go seri tkolinde ngo golere permanent lakini it's a good job awukira kuma inkaite ngabono nenga kingo tu yumwanchito morigere ngambi yamona so kusanga nta somo rubiri tu bwechingo ayana to kola singo maybe yo to ire kushara sisi lakini boniga asingo ko tuare somiria mangi
ono na chengo te asante asogotara yantongo te abali mikio moiso na gotaete chingo kechi taete chitwani mono nando gotaeta magena yo goturagi you can book with us magena yo goturagi as from early December we shall be having magena yo goturagi so bali bataeta magena yo goturagi na mogo book 92 bali bataeta chitwani sherehe this Christmas season you can call my number 0715 02 11 46 0715 02 11 46 also visit my Facebook page Ian Simba Ian and drop a message manya sore location I drop you chingoko pasaye osonde bwenzi a message ya moneri na ukulima sio ushamba na ukulima sio uchafu yes
kwanza hapo kwa uchafu umete uikanjenga busega iga uikoso kwati uchafu obwe chingoko
sasa toka batina
ukulima sio uchafu lakini lazima uchafuke
yes
ituko ndio kama clean lakini gotaite kunyo래 besa
bado unaweza piga luku vile unapiga luku lakini kwa wata chingoko
yeah
yes,
but you know this clean money
yes.
It's your money na boko chafuka ke ile kero kwa busa kosi ni ngenzi wa busa lazima njafuka ke hiyo ngonga abasaye hata mimi lazima to invest yase agribusiness nabo igo onye gotaite training osukota kumanya mangi goro yobo tikyo bwechingoko nabo ko tokomanyora sena bayaye nabo igo buna KCTV nabo kunyara ko gotuboria amaswali tunya to kwiraniria igonga aigana to kore umorobiri to bwerigesa angimana sobo tugibwe chingoko aigana to gukoreri korende titukorinde tya to gwesemia mangi nabo igo mwanchito murigeria naye nkaga gwasore kwatebi unga tawo kwa moyo goikobole miyobotu arekende nabo igo goikabwe gase abasaye inchu twesomera kwimanya mangi goriyo rigesa me KCTV na mandege mugusi asomero bitu gutambe rigesa nero amandege mugusi obwansu rigesa otambe na inche diana ndemo nabo igo rewind the producer